Good morning, futures traders. Today is Friday, January 9th. Time is now 9:45. So I thought I'd share with you something different today. Praedox did pretty well this morning. We had um, pretty good profits on all our accounts. But what I thought I'd share with you today is the 2026 stats to start the year. So you can see here's our trade performance across our accounts. Several funded. I think we just got funded past 5 more evals today. So that takes us up to over 30 funded accounts now.
Praedox
So
EMA breakout short.
take a look at the stats here. You can see we had a nice total net profit here. Our gross loss stays pretty low. Our profit factors is around 14.4, which is really good. A lot of commissions. Total percent profitable 79%. So this is from the beginning of the year through today. And if we take a look at the trade journal, you'll see it pretty close. Here's our trade journal. Make this bigger so we can see it. Here's our trade journal to start the year with Praedox. There's our wins and losses. And then our calendar here we keep. So this gets collected automatically. So here's our starting of our year. So pretty close to the trade performance in NinjaTrader. It's Tradecopia's trade journal that we use. So let's just walk through today. Let's get these here out of the way. All right. So you can see here we had the news, non-farm payroll news around 8:30. So 8:30, you can see we had a pretty whipsaw kind of price action here. But once it settled down, we had a couple breakouts here. Pre-market, again, we don't trade pre-market, but some people do. So here are the signals. We had a trend cycle wave here that looks like it got its 20 ticks. All right, and then we had a nice big aggressive breakout. This breakout here never filled because 3 bars passed without it hitting a limit order. However, this breakout here took, and that just would have been done pre-market. We did then have our open down prediction, and it indeed did open down. So if you played the short off of the pre-market forecast, you would have potentially picked up 200 ticks and been done in about a minute. If you did not, then you could have waited for this EMA aggressive breakout here, which, as you can see, certainly got more than enough ticks. You can see right there with 200 and something ticks just within a few minutes. So we played the pre-market prediction down, took the short here, and we took it down for our win, and we were done. And as you can see, it did quite well. Today's group P&L that I posted to the group was that, which was really good. If you want to see it actually in Tradecopia, let me see if I could find that. Here's the P&L card, live P&L card here. So you can see there is where we are today. So across our evals and some funded accounts as well. So there you are. Praedox Trader's Assistant. Today was a manual trading kind of day because I knew it was non-farm payroll, but I just wanted to share that with you. Again, we took our nice pre-market setup short to the downside, and we were done in by 9:32. So anyway, I hope this helps, seeing this on what Praedox Trader's Assistant strategy can do for you in both manual and in automated mode. We don't automate the pre-market forecast. We automate these signals here. So if you had it turned on, you would have not gotten into a trade until around now. Anyway, We take a look at what our Discord folks are saying. We had a couple folks, excuse me, wanted done here. This was me here. People are sharing their trades here. Dr. Spook is telling us his mode is on, had some account running, and looks like he did pretty well. Yep. Congratulations, Doc. You took your breakout, got the 330 for the win. Excellent. So with that said, it's been a great first week of January. If you have any questions, as always, please feel free to leave a comment. Shoot me a message on Discord. Happy to respond. If you want more information about Praedox, visit praedox.com, Praedox.com. Join our Discord. You can ask questions there as well. It's free to join. So anyway, hope everyone has a great weekend. Enjoy, and we'll be back at it on Monday. Have a great day. I will also be sharing with you some of the AI updates we're going to be making to Praedox, which is going to really be, from my perspective, a big game changer for Praedox and helping the signals be even more accurate. So I'll share that with you in another video. Anyway, have a great weekend. We'll see you Monday.